guys, today we're going to finish up the dirty work so we can get to the fun stuff.
I'm in this video too.
Let's get to it.
All right, what are we working with today?
We have some disc sanders to clean it off. It'll be easy on the metal. Some plastic razor blades. Also be easy and really good stuff.
And the new stuff.
We got new motor parts. Bubble wrap. Let's get dirty.
All right, we're gonna spray this a little bit.
Okay.
Be careful. That'll help. We'll spray them all.
The ones.
And then now, take that Scotch-Brite and start scrubbing on that.
You're scrubbing the piston.
See if you can scrape the deck off. Scrape all that gooey stuff. You want a good seal. How's that working, bud? Nice. Put some elbow into that, buddy. Scrub that shit. Push her down.
I wish I could do that.
What? There's 8 pistons.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see. How's it look? Oh yeah. Here. Let me see that, baby. Try to take this corner and like get in there with your finger. See how you can get that little ledge there? It's really looking good. That's not going to take much at all. We'll have this baby running before lunchtime. We had to put up a net because the dog attacked a biker. She didn't really attack her. She just barked and scared her. But I don't think she'll come by here again. Get all this black stuff off. Oops.
Yeah, can you?
That looks good, man. A little bit right in there. You know, all that carbon buildup off there. There you go.
It already is kind of shiny right now.
It's kind of shiny.
Kind of shiny.
That looks awesome. A little bit right in here.
I didn't twist.
Ooh, shiny! See what one of these things does? It's supposed to be easy on the metal.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to scratch the crap out of it. That carb cleaner's been soaking on there real good. That should come off easy. Now, I got some of this stuff here. This will help. Spray it on. It'll help get all the gunk off. Okay. Spray it, and then we'll scrape it. But yeah, spray it heavy. Get in all the cracks. Here, I got these two. just nabbed those from under Mom's sink. Okay, you got it pretty good and coated. All right, I'll help.
What are these supposed to do?
They'll help scrape it. Greta, can I have that fucking squeaker? My God. So what are we doing today?
Well, we're gonna get started painting on my valve covers.
Your valve covers? Your buds is over there all ready for paint. All cleaned up, taped off. And then you... What are these to work on?
I also got getting new gloves on for my.
How many gloves do you need?
This is my second.
Yeah, but it's your third pair today.
It's just those straps. Yeah. Oh, my hands.
Your delicate hands.
Aw.
Ready to rock?
Yep. You've got a crack up there like you got it.
Right here. What are you doing? No, you gotta clean them first.
Oh.
Yeah, we gotta do the dirty work.
Gosh dang it.
Yeah, I know, it sucks.
Ugh.
But it'll be rewarding. Start scraping. I got you Steel Wooly, your favorite scraper. Your favorite dog.
That's living.
You want some help? You want some help?
I'm good.
You good? Scraping, dude. How'd you get yours so cleaner than mine?
I scrape like one spot in here. I like. Yeah, I don't know why mine's cleaner.
You don't know? You're just good at it?
Sorry, I've done a lot of house cleaning.
House cleaning? Whose house? Our house?
Our house.
Really? Alright.
Good.
Carbs spread?
Yeah.
Stand back. This is the last of it.
Spraying everywhere. Like a fucking explosion. Like Alfred Toothpaste.
Stand back. You're going to spray right in the face. We're running low. Ooh, did I get you?
Almost.
Good for you.
I'm good. What?
No, it's not good for you. So your mom doesn't watch these videos.
Or you can bleep that out.
That's it on the carb spray.
So that's it for cleaning. Now, next video, we're gonna get some painting. Bye guys. See you next time.
too.